whiskey, rye whiskey. I know you from old. You robbed my poor pockets of my silver and gold. My clothes, they are ragged. My shoes are worn out. If I don't get rye whiskey, I'm going up the spout. Rye whiskey, rye whiskey, rye whiskey, I cry. If I can't get rye whiskey, I surely will die. I'll eat when I'm hungry, I'll drink when I'm dry. If a limb don't follow me, I'll live till I die. Rye whiskey, you devil, you've broken my nose. Rye whiskey, you devil, you pawned off my clothes. It's women and whiskey, they've been my downfall. They beat me and they robbed me, but I love them for all. Rye whiskey, rye whiskey, rye whiskey, I cry. If I can't get rye whiskey, I surely will die. I'll eat when I'm hungry and I'll drink when I'm dry. If a limb don't fall on me, I'll live till I die. Your parents don't like me, they say I'm too poor. They say I'm unworthy of passing their door. They say I drank whiskey, but my money's my own. And them what don't like me can leave me alone. Rye whiskey, rye whiskey, rye whiskey, I cry. If I can't get rye whiskey, I surely will die. I'll eat when I'm hungry, I'll drink when I'm dry. If a limb don't fall on me, I'll live till I